Top 10 programming languages for 2022. As we are stepping into the post-COVID world and unwrapping things one at a time, let's also try to be clear and concise in selecting the perfect programming languages to start with. It has always been a little confusing to select the perfect programming language. We have carried out rigorous surveys and come up with a list of the top 10 programming languages for 2022. This list can help you select the right programming language for your domain in the long run. At number 10, we have C++. C++ is an extension or object-oriented version of the C programming language. C++ is used in game development, desktop application development, and mobile application development. If you are a gaming fan and passionate about developing games, then C++ is the best language for game development. Companies like Google, Microsoft, Evernote, and NASA use C++ extensively. The average salary of a C++ programmer is around $103,000 USD per annum and 11 lakhs per annum in India. At number 9, we have Kotlin. Kotlin is one of the rookies in Android and mobile application development. It's official that Google has announced Kotlin to be their first-class language for Android development. Kotlin provides easier syntax and smaller lines of code to execute the job. Kotlin is a platform-independent, general-purpose programming language intended to run on JVM. Kotlin was devised to improvise Android development with Java by introducing additional library support, without which the process seemed time-consuming. Google, Amazon, Netflix, and many such companies are active users of Kotlin. The average salary of a Kotlin developer is $150,000 USD, and in India, the average salary of a Kotlin developer is about 10 lakhs per annum. At number 8, we have Golang. The IT industry has started to see some remarkable and new languages with state-of-the-art features dedicatedly built to reduce the complexity and minimize the production time. Golang is one of them. Invented by Google, Golang is capable enough to take over the giants of web development head-on-head by helping developers create secure and reliable web applications rapidly. It is also capable of developing microservices and APIs to interact with front-end applications. Major tech giants like Google, SendGrid, and Dropbox are the biggest users of Golang. The average salary of Golang developers is $175,000 USD, and in India, the average salary of Go developers is 12 lakhs per annum. At number 7, we have Swift. Swift is Apple's contribution to the world of software development. Swift is exclusively built to develop applications for Apple's ecosystem. Yes, it is also capable of developing applications outside of Apple's systems with a better performance than Java and Python in some cases. Swift is a purpose-built programming language with the goal of developing superior quality native applications for Apple devices with high data security and automatic memory arc. Apple, Accenture, TCS, and many major recruiters are on a constant hunt for Swift developers with handsome salaries to offer. The average salary of Swift iOS developer is $160,000 USD, and in India, the average salary varies from 8 to 10 lakhs per annum. At number 6, we have R. R is a language specifically designed and crafted for analytics and science. The R language competes with Python and outperforms it in terms of statistical analytics. R is an open-source programming language designed and developed by our core team and our foundation. The language was built specifically for data miners and statisticians. Top Tier 1 companies like Facebook, Twitter, Google, and Microsoft use R language for carrying out various types of data analytics for business development. The average salary of an R developer is $130,000 USD, and in India, the average salary of an R developer varies from 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. At number 5, we have PHP. PHP being rather old, PHP maintains its might in web development. Believe it or not, but a total of 21% of developers worldwide are actively using PHP. PHP is a general-purpose scripting language used for web development. It is one of the first server-side scripting languages to get embedded into an HTML code. Companies still use PHP in their web application development. Cars24, Facebook, Wikipedia are a few examples. The average salary of a PHP developer is 80,000 USD, and in India, an average PHP developer earns around 6 to 8 lakhs per annum. At number 4, we have SQL. The humble SQL has been in the IT industry for a while, and it's believed to be around for a few more years. SQL is a structured query language that is built to interact with data storage units like relational databases, and advanced versions of SQL are capable of interaction with the cloud. SQL is still in great demand, and companies like Accenture, Rapido, Dell, Cognizant, and NTT Data are actively hiring database, SQL developers, and architects. The average salary of an SQL developer is 80,000 USD per annum, and in India, SQL developers earn 10 lakhs per annum on an average. At number 3, we have Java. Java undoubtedly has a broad spectrum of applications and a huge developer community worldwide. The famous repository hosting service, the GitHub, is the home for 3,30,550 repositories and serves as an open source for over 15 million active Java developers round the clock. Java is the most dominating object-oriented programming language currently in use in the IT industry. Java is used for Android development, software development, desktop and mobile application development, big data, and much more. Major leading tech giants like Uber, Airbnb, Instagram, Paytm, and Google use Java. The average salary of Java developers in the United States is about 100,000 USD per annum, and in India, a Java developer can earn about 12 lakhs per annum. At number 2, we have Python. Python, the constant adversary of Java, the next leading programming language with cutting-edge features and nearly an unlimited range of applications. Python stands as a commendable programming language. Python is a general-purpose, object-oriented, and also a scripting programming language. It is a powerful ruler of data analytics and also web development. Intel, IBM, Pixar, Spotify, Razorpay, and many leading software companies are in use of Python. The average salary of a Python developer is 125,000 USD, and in India, the average salary of a Python developer is around 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. At number 1, we have JavaScript. JavaScript, the Internet's language, often abbreviated as JS, stands as the segment leader dominating the world of software development. Nearly 65% of the developers' community is dependent on JavaScript. JavaScript is a general-purpose scripting language extensively used for web application development. JavaScript is capable to handle both front-end and back-end and deliver interactive web pages. Major tech giants like PayPal, Netflix, BigBasket, and Google use JavaScript. The average salary of a JavaScript developer is 110,000 USD and 8 to 10 lakhs per annum in India. And with that, we have come to an end of this session of Top 10 Programming Languages for 2022. If you have any queries or feel we missed out on anything important, please feel free to let us know in the comment section below. A gentle reminder to leave us your likes and also your subscription to the channel will be appreciated. Thank you for watching. Till next time, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.